before I could see Echo the bear, my BBF. You know, my very best friend. Do you have to clean up too? Oh, you do! Make sure when you're cleaning, you put everything exactly where it's supposed to go. That way, you always know where it is. You never want to leave your toys in the middle of the floor. Someone could trip, and you might even get a boo-boo. Try singing a song or doing a dance while you clean. It will make it so much more fun, and you'll have it cleaned up faster than a hummingbird. If you have extra time, try helping your grown-up clean something else. They will be so proud of you, and I will be too. I have to hurry so I can hang out with Echo the bear. Bye, my dewdrops. Go sparkle and shine while making your fairy tales today.